Finally, good news for fitness freaks of the national capital. Gyms and yoga centers have been allowed to open up in Delhi today. All coronavirus protocols issued by the central government have to be strictly followed in gyms and yoga institutes, which include masks and social distancing. However, spas, steam bath, swimming pools will remain shut. The Delhi government has also allowed the opening up of one weekly market each in every district until September 30th on trial basis. Also, no gym or yoga center is allowed to open up in containment zones. Delhi had earlier allowed metro services to resume and bars to reopen earlier this month, as many curbs were eased in Unlock 4.0. Delhi has a total of 21,08,304 COVID cases, and out of which 4,744 people have died due to COVID-19. Beg your pardon, Delhi has about, in fact, 2,18,304 cases there on the whole.
What kind of precautions you are advising them who are coming to gym?
We are following all the rules, 6 feet gaps rule, sanitization, for fog machine sanitization, gloves, mask, private shoes for only gym. We have a slot system, limited seats are allowed to be in 1 hour, 60 minutes, only 60 minutes workout in, for 7 to 8 people.
It could be done earlier because the precautions are very good in Anytime Fitness also. It could be done earlier also.
Now you are happy that you are working out,
Yeah,
you are
really
burning your calories?
Really happy, really happy.
Right now we are standing in the posh South Delhi's Malviya Nagar, and they have started their workouts already. There are instructors, and even there are some safety precautions which you need to be aware about, and those safety precautions have also been taken into care. I can show you on the floor. There is a indication that if you are standing here, a 6 feet gap is needed to be kept, and 6 feet means the next person should be standing here. Every alternate treadmill you can use. Here it has been written that equipment not in use, which means this treadmill you can't use. You have to use the first one and the third one. There are gym workers who are regularly sanitizing all the equipments. If someone is using, then with sanitizers, it has been sanitized properly. So now you can come to the gyms, you can enjoy yourself, you can work out here, and you can relax as well with all the safety precautions which has been taken into consideration by these gym owners. With camera person Ashok Manu, I'm Kumar Kunal for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.